smoke drifts through another rainy season, like sorrow tracing down the window pane. I sit alone with an empty glass of reason, feeling my heart grow quiet in its pain. The streets remain, but faces have all faded. The midnight bell dissolves into the air. Each echo feels like a life I once created. Each grasping hand now finds there's nothing there. You pass me by, a fragile breeze in twilight, leaving behind a scent that wouldn't stay. I gather smoke like gathering old memories, and watch my shadow drift its love away. The wine tonight can't make me drunk, yet warms me, as if your ghost still hums beneath the rain. I smile faintly at the sound of droplets falling here in my life, just softly fade again. After the dream comes a calm that feels eternal. After goodbye, a peace I never knew. Don't shed a tear for what was only fleeting. Some sorrows are born to gentle you. Smoke still curls above this weary season. Someone still listens to the distant leaves. If there's another life, may I be the dust that follows the rain back to you